Our defence forces are tasked with the most important mission of any government agency or department, the role of protecting our citizens at home and abroad. In order to remain an adversarial deterrent, respond rapidly as a lethal fighting force, and engage in global peacekeeping operations, defence forces must maintain a perpetual state of operational readiness. For assets, equipment and weapon systems, readiness means efficient and strategic maintenance, ensuring they can be deployed with maximum efficacy in a moment's notice. Poor quality asset and weapon systems master data increases costs and, most importantly, undermines the operational readiness of those systems and assets. Up-to-date, accurate and complete master data is crucial for effective asset and weapon system maintenance and management. Introducing SAP Master Data Governance for Enterprise Asset Management, extension by Utopia. A robust, centralized master data governance platform, purpose-built for managing all of your asset, equipment, component and weapon systems master data, providing you a transparent, procure-to-decommission landscape. Your data is standardized by efficiency. Assets, as well as their components, are systematically organized with bills of materials and matched with maintenance plans, task lists, and functional locations. The result? Maintenance can be executed on the right asset at the right time with the right spare parts. With highly accurate, complete and well-governed master data, your war fighters can operate confidently, knowing their equipment will operate and respond as intended. And your leaders can make smarter, trusted decisions, knowing their defence forces have maximised their operational readiness.